Math Plus, where math makes sense. In today's video, we're going to be practicing how to compare decimals. We do have a lesson video above. Look where the red arrow is, and you can go ahead and click that link and you can watch the video called Comparing Decimals. That'll teach you how to compare the decimals. What we're going to do today is practice everything that is taught in that video. We will not be using our place value chart today, but I want to encourage you to continue learning your place value chart. Make sure you understand it. Make sure you understand the value of the numbers and where they're placed when you see one. This is really important in understanding how to do math. All right, so what we're going to do today, compare two decimals. And one of the things you learned in that video was to align them first. I will align them after you compare them yourself. You can turn off the video. Only on this screen are we going to have a little helper chart over here. You have your less than symbol, you have your greater than symbol, and equal to. So whenever you're asked to compare numbers, those are the three things you're trying to decide. Which one is less, which one is greater, or are they equal? If you forget, this I remember being younger and thinking, I can't remember which one's less or more. If you have trouble with that, don't worry about it. Just remember that where the big opening is where the bigger number is. Okay, I'll show you that in just a moment. But that's the biggest thing you need to remember. And then you just read it from left to right. Turn off the video, compare, come back. All right, I'm going to compare these two numbers, and it says don't forget to align them first. We want to align them right on top of each other because we're going to compare them by place value, okay? One number at a time. And that's how we figure out which one's bigger or greater, okay? Now, if you can see here, we have two threes. I'm just going to cross them out. We have two fours. They're equal. Uh-oh. The top number has a 0. The bottom number has a 1, so that number is greater. So this is the greater number. So I make sure my sign, the bigger side, the bigger opening goes over here. Now when I read this though, I say 34 9/100 is less than 34 19/100. All right, remember on the next one, we're not using the little chart to help you remember your symbols. You might write those down so you don't forget what they are. We're going to compare the two decimals and we're going to align them first. Turn the video off, align them, compare, and come back. All right, we have 129 24 thousandths versus 129 305 thousandths. We're going to align each number. And then we're going to just start from the left and go to the right. Both of them are 1, so they're equal. The 2's are equal. The 9's are equal. And here we have a 3 in the 10th place that's bigger than the 0. So that number right here is larger. And we're going to put our comparing symbol with the big side, the open side to the bigger number. 129 24 thousandths is less than 129 305 thousandths. Compare these two decimals, align them first, and then put your symbol in. Now we can go ahead and align them on top of each other because I want you to see. Still practice doing this. Make sure. Some of you can just look at it and tell, right? If you go through, every single number's the same. So that's when we put an equal sign. Some of you saw that and you didn't need to align it, and that's fine. But if you're still rusty or still just learning this, then you just want to make sure and align it. That's when we put an equal sign, when each number is exactly the same. Same thing as whole numbers. All right, let's compare these two numbers, align them, and then compare. We have 57 3/4 hundredths, sorry about that, and 58 24 hundredths. Now some of you might be looking over at the decimals right away because most of these had equal whole numbers. Don't be tricked by that. Don't say, oh, 34 is bigger than 24, that's bigger. No, you still have to align. Always do it. Fives are the same. Look at that. In our ones place, our 8 is bigger. So 58 and 24 hundredths is larger. We have 2 left. Compare your decimals, turn off the video, compare, and come back. Now again, mistakes are made when we want to go fast. We have 78 and 2 hundredths and 78 and 160 thousandths. Tens place, ones place, tenths place. Here we go. This number is bigger. So 78 and 2 hundredths is less than 78 and 160 thousandths. And you can even put a 0 there if you want them all to have equal number, the place values to be equal, because we always have our decimals lined up. All right, we have 1 left. 62 and 103 thousandths, 62 and 2 tenths. If it helps you, I've got them lined up. If it helps you to put zeros as placeholders so everything's even, that's okay. You can do that. Let's start in our tens place. They're the same. The ones place is the same. And here we are again in the tenths place. And the 2 is bigger than the 1. So that makes this number larger, greater. So we put our sign like that. There is more practice. Look in the description, and there is worksheets in there that you can print off and practice. And the worksheets do have the answers to them. So go ahead and practice if this is something that you're not really strong at yet.